Alright, Duck79 here. We have added an extremely over-the-top, I don't know if you can see it, extremely over-the-top second camera. Got the Blackmagic as a webcam. So, where are we at? So, I am now going to start working on clips for the suit to put on. I want it to be extremely easy. Originally I was having 2 bits of elastic in there, but I realised I couldn't get my head through and nearly got myself stuck with some sharp corners. So I realised I need to have one side to get in and out of. So I've got this little kit of Amazon. It's some of those little poppers I thought of a piece of elastic with a popper on. And then I found these things. Little garden things. And what my master plan here is glue this in with a little bit of super glue and then weld it down, and then the red elastic with the clips on. Look at that, see? Some clips. And then I'm gonna go around with the glue with the PLA. Right, so there we go. Do. Perfect. Now, should we weld it on? Same as before. This time you can see. I worked out if I hold it sideways like this, it's better. And I'll just do that. I've got to be careful not to touch this. So, ready? So, start here. Just build it up. So yeah, just build it up. The best thing is it's melting its way into the costume. Bit of an overkill. But I don't want it falling off me. Look at that. That ain't going nowhere. You see it? Ah, that's it. And I keep forgetting. I now wear glasses. Ah, I can see. So what the idea here is, first things first, we've got to singe the end. That doesn't all break. There we go. Next thing is Amazon. Let's see what this is. I have not used this yet at all, as you can see. So I don't know how easy it is. I bought local and got a little bit. Then I went online and for the same price I got 2 of these. And they keep saying, buy local. But I would love to buy local all the time, but I would love it if I could just go to my art and craft store and get what I need. Oh, hang on. There are no art and craft stores. That to that, meaning the show side, the showstopper there. Make another one. Same as that. Okay. Oh, what's this? Okay. I've got another part here. I didn't see it, mate. I didn't see it. Didn't see it. Didn't see it. Doing it on a glass table. Is he stupid or something? Alright, okay. Let's see if it worked. It's me. Of course. I'm gonna do it. He's never gonna get out of it. There we go. Ah. I am Iron Belly. More like a Jaeger. "40 diesel engines per muscle strand. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Bum bum ding 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 ding. Yellow, on the other hand, goes from under here. This is why I need cosplay buddies. Because I can't do it on my own. I've got to kind of guess. So, if I go from here to here somewhere, and then I need to go there. And I don't want it to dig into me. Let's come back to this, because I can't do it on my own. That is why I do have the mannequin me, mind you. Well, you saw how I'm going to do it. Well, I'm going to do it for all the straps. So next part of the video, the straps will be done. Because mannequin me doesn't fit in here. But it's working, look. But before I go, if you would like to laugh, there was this one time, back when I was married, many years ago, actually, yeah, year and a half ago, I was found stuck in Robocop's torso. Yeah, it's official, it's what happened. So the first time I tried on this piece of my Robocop 1987, 1987, come on, brain. I'd made it as one piece. So I went like that and I put my arms in and got it on. EVA foam. Tested it. This is good. Excellent. I couldn't get out. I was stuck at home for hours waiting for the wife to come home from work to find me in the front room stuck in an EVA foam Robocop torso. That was not fun. Yeah, I know Murphy had it worse, but so let's find out. Can I get out of this on my own? That's what it is. The little clips. Oh, the doctors suck so much. I'm going to do a set of videos as soon as I'm allowed. Drum roll, please. Oh. I don't have a wife to come who's going to come home to help me out of this. I would have to go on Facebook. Oh, haha. Oh. So it's possible. Oh. So it's totally plausible. You may notice in the graphics the video 1, 2, 3, 4 has started to disappear because it's all upside down and I've only got a week to make the costume in, basically. Yeah, that's cosplay.